Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. This is just the steps that descend down into the basement area, and we only have one railing. We should have 2. The railings are in good shape, however. They're 2-inch diameter round, hollow round, and but they do need painting. And these railings also protect you from falling into that stairwell. Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. This concludes the A2 inspection at 319 43rd Street.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.